That was some wind we've been having for the past couple of days. I know. I couldn't get to sleep for the whole week because the wind was so bad in the night. Yeah, I know. Look! It's brought the wires down. Oh dear, that's a nuisance. There'll be a fair number of telephones out of action now around here.
Look out!
Are you okay, Marlon? I'm fine. I'll try and see if I can push it out. I'll keep the handbrake off.
Oh, it's stuck.
Let me see if I can get it out. It's no good. We are well and truly stuck. Wait, I can see a car coming down the road. Hopefully he'll stop to help. What's this tree doing here?
I think it's been blown down because of the wind. It's been really bad for the past couple of days.
Yeah. Wait a minute. There's a car in that field. It looks like it's stuck.
I think we should go and help.
Yeah. It's Elliot and Lisa. Dave? Marlon? What are you two doing here? I tried to avoid this fallen tree and now my car is stuck in this field.
Don't worry, we'll go and get help.
Hurry, please. Well, I guess we'll have to sit here and wait for help. Whoa! What was that? Dunno. A branch must have broke off. I'll get out and have a look. Alright then, Dave, if you say so.
Wait there.
Oh God, I don't like it in here. I hope Elliot and Lisa get back soon so that I can go home. There it was again! Oh my God, I better get something to defend myself. Oh God, I hope Dave gets back soon. Oh. Am I seeing things? What the? There is a branch. I've got to reach for the wipers. Marlon, why are the wipers on? There was a branch on the windscreen, so I had to get it off. Then... Alright, we're nearly there.
Watch out, Elliot.
Watch out for what? That was close.
Look, Elliot. There's a police car coming.
Alright, we might be able to stop it. Lisa, Elliot, what are you two doing here? PC Thompson, we're so glad to see you. Dave's car has come off the road and he's stuck in a field. He's tried to avoid a fallen tree. Oh no! I'll radio for backup and then we'll get over there. It's been a while since Lisa and Elliot had left. Listen, I can hear something. Look, help is here. I got an idea. Dave, you attach this rope to the front of your car. I'll attach the other end to the back of the Sorrento. Right. Ready, Dave? Ready. Go for it, Thompson. Right you are, Elliot. The car's moving. I might be able to take it from here.
If you say so, Dave.
We're free. Mind how you go.